let the party die. Drop.
People everywhere, just check this out. Say something brand new that'll make you shout. For you and all to see the dopest rhymes said by me. Listen, it's facts for all to know. How to rock a party, keep your crowd on the go. It starts with the beat, then comes the rhyme. This dance that's hard to keep you on town. We'll add a little scratch to give some flavor, so the mix will be right for you to savor. There's only one way to move the crowd. Bass level up high, volume level up loud. You do your best, you gotta believe in what you want. You'll soon achieve. It's who you know. To get your juice, I started with rhymes and I get loose.
This is a section, somewhat of a rehearsal. So sucker MCs, don't take it personal. I don't mean to talk about you or put you down, but I can loose out the dome going freestyle. You see the point I'm trying to make comes out so clear that I'll be busting lyrics till I leave here. I don't claim to be the best, I'm funky, not fresh. I just wanna get respected with all the rest. You see, I come from down south, talk slick out my mouth. I went to New York and got kicked out because they don't like me, they dislike us as a whole. Cause the music we make touches home, we got soul. So tell the truth, it's monkey see, monkey do. We cuss on the record, now you wanna cuss too. From high top fades to Jerry Kill Juice. Watch Marquise, y'all, as I get news.